It's time for the word. Come on, somebody. Even the birds are chirping. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. He saves those whose spirits are crushed. Psalms 34:18. Be blessed. Hey loves, today's video is going to be about this beautiful hairstyle right here that I did using sensational Bantu knot crochets. So if you are ready for this style, sis, let's just get into it. I don't know why I did that. But anyway, this is how I started the hairstyle. First and foremost, you have to condition your hair. I use my hair crack and then I go in and I do my main choice, which is kind of like a nice little bowl of grease at the same time, so a little goes a long way. So you got to be careful on how much of that you apply on your head. And this is where the hairstyle begin. Okay, I'm gonna part out my hair in two sections and we're gonna do the front and the back. It doesn't really matter how straight the line is because the crochet is going to cover all that. Now this part right here is what my mama taught me. She said you always got to start your braids in the middle, so that's what we're doing. We're doing the front middle first and we're gonna braid all that back. If you're not good at braiding, I know this says, the title says braidless crochet, but I wanted to like give it like a nice little twist, so I decided to do like the back in the days 2000 look, you know, with the front braids and then you leave it down. You feel me? Like if you feel me, let me know. But anywho, I decided to braid the front of my hair. If you're not good at braiding, you can always twist your hair. If you're not good at twist, well dang sis, what you good at? Just go ahead and do what you're good at. Okay, so yeah, so we're just gonna braid the hair. I think I did it in 6 or probably 8 braids. And yeah, that's what we do. We braid hair, we look good with it. So my braids will not come out as, I'm not a hairstylist, okay? My braids won't come out as great, but as long as we got to braid it neatly in a way where I feel comfortable to wear it out, that's all that matters. We brush out the baby hair. We got everything situated, and bada, this is how it's going to look. It's going to look cute. So one thing I did right here was I decided to connect all my braids in one. So we're going to get that leftover braids and just connect it all together. And this is how it's going to turn out. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to do it in a little circle thingy. And we're going to knot it all. What is it? Put in a little bun type of look. And start with the back. So this is where the knotless crochet comes into place. I'm going to get my hair and I'm just gonna do them in little Bantu knot type of look. Sis got inches. Oh, sis got inches. So that was the excitement of the video. So this is what I did with my hair. I'm just gonna let you guys know that I actually switched it up in the middle of the video, but yeah, let's just go ahead and let me show y'all. So this is the hair itself right here. It is the sensational Bantu knot times 3 looped braids, crochets. And this is the longest way you can do it, but sis, I will show you how to cut time. So I decided to get this hairband right here, and this is the only way you can do it. Okay, I don't know what other way you can do it, but for me this is the easiest way. And I decided to get my crochets and I just looped it around and I looped it around and I looped it around. I got this trick from Bree Hall, I think that's her name. She did it on her ponytail before and I was like, oh my gosh, that's cute. But I never got a chance to try it, so this is actually my first time trying it out. And then after I did all that, it actually cuts time. It cuts a lot of time. I decided to get that right there and get it into a ponytail. This way is a lot quicker for those of you who don't know how to do, you know, crochets. You want something quick and easy. It was a challenge at first on how to place the hair, but no worries, sis, I got you. So this is where I told you guys I decided to do the 3 buns instead of 2 buns instead of 3. I took that other third one out and I put it together with that first bun, and then I took the crochet and I wrapped it around that bun right there, or that knot right there, and it really held it up in place. So if you have really thick hair, this hairstyle will come in handy for you. Because my hair is not as thick, it was kind of like a little bit of a challenge. It wasn't in place and it wasn't doing what I wanted it to do, but it's okay, sis, we got it together. So next we're just doing the same thing. It's like a repetitive process. We did the quick and easy crochet in the little hair tie method. I don't know what you call this method. And then we wrapped it around our little knots, and then voila. Oh no, not voila. I told you it's very tricky. Okay, so we did this about 6 times. I just had to edit to make it shorter, but it was like a good 15 minutes trying to get it together. It was my first time doing it like this, so it took me a while, but now that I got a hang of it, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a good 5 minutes next time I try it out. So this is how it looks. It looks pretty full. It looks pretty cute. And it looks pretty situated. So this is the most important part. If you want everything to stay in place, you have to do this, okay? So after you get the same step that you did with the 2 buns in the back, you want to grab the side crochet that you tied on the first bun, wrap that around the ponytail, and then you grab the other side and you wrap both of those around the ponytail that you have on top of your head, just so it can pull everything together. So what that does is like it closes everything together, if that makes sense. So basically it just closes an empty space that you had when you placed the crochet around your knot, and it secures it so it won't fall out. Okay, so yeah, that's the most important step about this whole entire hairstyle. You want to do this step. You want to focus on this step. You want to focus on this step. So don't tie it too tight, or else you're going to cut your hair off, because when I do my hair too tight, I end up losing hair. So I've learned not to do my hair so tight. So you want to be a little bit gentle when it comes to this process right here. So yeah, that's basically how it should look, like this. Now, you know me, I'm a little extra sometimes. So with this hairstyle, I decided to add a little bit of accessories here and there, accessories everywhere. So I'm going to get this gold string right here. I don't know what it's called. Somebody tell me what this is called, because every time I go to the hair salon, I always say hair accessories. But anyway, I'm going to get this gold accessory right here, gold string. I'm just going to tie it around the little, the hair where I have my little hair tied up. So yeah, I'm gonna tie it around a couple times. I used about 2 of these just to give it that full look. So if you want to go even more, you can add whatever accessories you want, but for me, I wanted to keep it a little bit simple, just for those who work at an office. You don't want to do too much with your hairstyle. So this is one way you can look cute with accessories and also look presentable at work. So yeah, this is the look. It looks cute. It looks popping. We look like the lady off of Coming to America, the first woman that he was supposed to marry, the dog lady, the oof oof oof. Okay, I used 2 packs for those of you who are wondering. So the hair on top of my head, on that part right there on the ponytail at the top, wasn't as full as I wanted to, so we try to make it as full as possible. And now onto the baby hair. I absolutely love baby hairs, and today's baby hair is brought to you by something different. So we're going to apply the baby hair. Get your adult hair if you ain't got no baby hair, or adult hair, senior hair, whatever you have, make it work. We're gonna do the little loop thing. I've been seeing that around Instagram lately. I said, sis, we gotta learn how to do it. So sis taught herself how to do this, and it came in handy. Okay, this hairstyle reminds me of a summer 2000 music video. So yeah, but yeah, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also press the notification bell button to be notified when I post a video. Leave a comment down below if I inspire you to try it out, and tag me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much, and I'll be heading out. Okay, bye.